Good evening, I'm Alex Dierckman. Indiana Department of Transportation Commissioner Michael Klein will leave state government for a job at Purdue after the State Ethics Commission gave their approval. INDOT and Purdue University collaborate on a number of projects, notably the Joint Transportation Research Project. Purdue also receives federal money through an INDOT program. Normally, Klein would have to wait a year after leaving a state government job before taking a job with an employer that's linked to the state's agency he's been leading. But Governor Mike Pence's office has issued a waiver allowing Klein to skip that requirement and become Purdue's vice president for physical facilities. In the waiver, the governor's office says Klein's experience as INDOT commissioner will benefit his service to the state university and is therefore in the public interest. Officials at Indiana University Proton Therapy Center are hopeful a new partnership will help them improve cancer treatment for patients and caregivers. WTIU's Elias Orfan reports.
IU Health Proton Therapy Center signed a 2-year contract last month with the Knoxville-based software company Pronova Solutions. Pronova will equip the therapy center with modern software and proton scanning equipment. In exchange, the Proton Center will give Pronova use of its facilities and access to its intellectual property. IU Health Proton Therapy Center's CEO and President Peter Johnstone says the agreement will lead to better patient care.
So it's a win-win for us. We get their expertise to come in with the software, and they get our expertise from the cyclotron operations side. Plus they get to see patients being treated all the time, and I think they get to see what we're really all about.
Among the projects the groups will be collaborating on is a more precise way to administer cancer treatment called the pencil scanner. Much of the research will be focused on the pencil scanner's ability to minimize collateral damage to healthy tissue surrounding a cancerous tumor in the body. For WTIU News, I'm Elias Orfan.
Indiana-based biosciences companies have the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling on gene patents protects the research they're conducting. The Supreme Court ruled today isolated genes that occur in nature cannot be patented, but the ruling also reaffirmed companies can patent genes that are altered from their natural state. Research-based healthcare company Roche Diagnostics uses biotechnology to manipulate genes and determine how they can be used in medical treatments. A Roche Diagnostics spokesman says the Supreme Court affirmed those gene patents, and that's key to protecting the company's research. In a statement, Eli Lilly officials say the court's decision allows them to continue their work as well. And here's a look at the weather. Clear skies tonight, 51 degrees is the low. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with highs in the upper 70s. And tomorrow night, partly cloudy, 58 degrees is the low. And here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Saturday, a 50% chance of thunderstorms with highs around 81 degrees. 82 degrees on Sunday with a 70% chance of thunderstorms, and 81 degrees on Monday with a 60% chance of thunderstorms. Tuesday, a 20% chance of storms with lows around 62 degrees. For more on these stories and other local news, go to indianapublicmedia.org. I'm Alex Dierckman.